That's a fish.
Okay, almost right here.
Are you on? No, you're not on. You're gonna keep hitting it, but you're not on. Come on. Please tell me you're got it. The dink.
Hey!
Finally on the board.
Congratulations.
Oops.
Skunk is gone.
I didn't even think I could catch something this small. Look at that little dude. Hey, it's a chunk of tail it's missing.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Kind of the other one we had. Cool. These are nice hits.
See that? Oh.
This might be a nicer fish, maybe?
Size?
That's why.
That's why.
How did I do that?
Look at your hook.
How did I hook him like that?
I did. That's how I did one yesterday.
How did I hook him like
how
this?
I did it either.
What in the world? Whoa!
Jeez.
That was a fun release. Oh yeah, like these small guys are like finding like a big one. I'm like, no, you're not remembering how hard those big ones fight. Oh, this might be a nice fish. Might be snagged as well. It has more weight to it,
How do you mean, like?
but it's more resistant. It might be, yeah.
You got it.
Boat flip. That's a chunk.
That's a nice fish. Not illegal, right?
I don't think. I think it's like a 16 maybe.
Check it anyways.
Yeah, we should check it just to get a rough size. Jeez.
I gotta read. Actually, you did. Or where? I should put it in here.
Yeah, tape right there.
Just curious.
Yeah, I'm curious. Like probably 14.
Almost 17.
Dang.
16 and a half.
Can you get my phone out? Quick tossing.
Yeah, I was just thinking this side so you could go off that way.
At least we're moving slow.
I should get hold my rod for a second. I was gonna be late.
I got a fish deck, can you please?
Yep.
Oh. Got him. Maybe a little nicer one as well. It's not a nicer one. Not
better. Not.
that's nice. That's
It's not turtle jam.
14 maybe. Number 3. Alright, yep. This guy's going down. Oh. Nice hits. Well, maybe? No. Maybe? Nah, it's a little. I shouldn't have said anything. That is the loudest, cheapest sounding drag.
Yeah. Unless it's a monster. Look at it. Wait, look at it.
I think he's snagged. What is this little? This is the guy, the smallest little dude I've ever caught. Jeez. Oh, bud. Got one. Oh, this is even the smallest one I think we've caught. I don't think it's possible to get smaller than some of these guys. Oh, I need some more squid here. That's a trophy. Hey, Dad, look at this guy. Look at that. That's definitely the smallest one we've caught. Got another one. I'm gonna have a fish here in a second.
What's that?
This might be a nice one. This is a nicer one, Dad.
Yeah.
I'll be snagged, but nah, it's really not that much nice. It's a nicer fish, but not like.
Yeah, it's better.
It's a better one. We're tied now. I was actually on the bottom.
No. Where'd you at?
Oh no, you're right. I'm at 7 years. Oh. Got one. Oh, first sea robin. There we go.
So they do have some spines inside that?
Apparently, I don't know. I didn't think they had spines really. Guys making some weird noises.
Wait, hold on.
Can you get my phone out then at some point?
Yeah. I got that.
Oh no, they do got spines. Look at that.
Where?
Look on their gill plate.
Oh wait.
Look at
Oh
that.
yeah.
That's
Okay.
They got,
There's pliers and a phone. Okay.
Oh, they got teeth.
I didn't realize they made so many noises.
No, I didn't realize they did that either. I think I got a little picture of these little guys. They're so weird.
They're very weird fish.
Hey, I'm trying to help you. Look at that.
And the side of them looks like a bass almost, kind of like the stripes and stuff.
They're weird looking things.
They're very weird looking.
There's some nasty spines it's got on it.
Yeah. Cool. Here's some guys.
There you go. Got one.
Dragon.
Yep. Now we're tied. Oh, you suck. Damn it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I drug it. Oh, there's squid. Yeah, oh, that's sinking too much. I'm surprised they're not going for it, because they could easily get that, I feel. It's heavy boat, but come on. I'm just getting hit, so I'm not. What's it doing? I'm getting lots of. There we go, got him. Yo, it's tagged. It's a tagged fish. Yeah, wait, I'm gonna get. Yeah, what?
I don't know much about it, but take a picture of this.
Yeah, hell, you can get.
Do you need help with anything?
I want to get. You can get my phone out here. I didn't know these fish are tagged.
Yeah.
You want the tape measure out then as well?
Yeah, right on top right.
Call for reward.
What's that?
There's a reward on there. I don't want to call this number. I quick look at the GPS longitude and latitude here.
Yeah, what is late today?
Yeah. Got him.
Shut up. Isn't the guy from earlier, is it?
Similar behavior. Shot. Really, dude? I think that guy flipped him off.
Yeah, I'm like,
What the fuck was that? Man, good lord. He's about to hit that, he almost hit that boat down there. That is a dickhead move right there. Yeah, I think it's at 10 to 9. Yeah. I did get him. Hey, a little nicer? I can't tell. It has some weight to it, but I don't. It has weight. It might be a nice fish. Oh.
Nicer.
Nicer fish. That's a 7. It might be a 17. You can net him.
What's that?
Yeah, net him.
I got the net. Shoot, that's messed up. Dang it. Should have tried to net.
I'm up another one. Jeez.
like 15.
I'm gonna quick set him up here. Watch out for the wakes here.
I got nice one. This is a nice one.
Alright.
Or nicer, I don't know how big it is, so it's nicer than the guppy anyway. It's nicer, it's not legal, but... Hi! Good you, buddy.
And this guy was 15, I think.
Okay, this guy's probably about the same.
Hey, you're doing doubles next to each other?
Yeah, just for fun of it. Oops, sorry. Here.
I need it right
I'm
here.
just curious what it is. Yeah, it's about 16.
Move your head.
Yep.
Alright.
Good?
Yep. Oh, you chucker.
I think I lost everything. He was...
Yeah. Speaking of which, a nice one or no?
I have my drag too loose.
Gotta work on your drag, man. Well, this is a nicer.
It is a nicer fish.
Oh, I had one for a second. Can
It's a
you?
nicer fish. Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, that might be a keeper.
Shoot. Oh. Look at that. Close.
So close to a keeper. Type quick measure. Try to get
Right there.
big.
Right. You squeeze the tail. Pinch the tail right there. It's 18.
Yeah. Keeper. You suck. Oh.
They're just getting some.
Come on, dude. Oh, had him first. Had him on. Shoot. Damn it, you're at 20 now. Got a nice one. I think. It was just on slow, like it very slow, like took it. Got some weight. Oh, that is a keeper. Oh, as it don't do it.
Okay, sorry. So I can get under him.
No. Good.
Now what? Now?
Yeah, now.
There you go.
There you go. Yeah, there we go.
That's
a 19, I think.
Bigger than mine.
There we go.
Awesome. Good job, bud.
I knew that it was exactly what the guy talked about. It was a nothing. Like you didn't. All of a sudden, I could tell there was something just there with it, and so then I reeled down on it, and it was.
Tape is down with you now.
Yeah. Okay, I need to get him out. I need to get out of the net.
Well, you have to go right down there and get some more. Should I get down? Or?
Yeah, you can get down. I don't care.
That point to stay on the second one.
Okay, never mind. It is the same thing as yours. Mine's actually no, mine's here. That's the end.
That's the end.
18. Oh, this might be a nice one.
Yeah.
Never felt it. This was on. Oh, never mind. Whoa, what is this? Whoa. What the hell is this thing?
I don't know. Oh, shoot. That's my...
It looks like a sea robin, but I don't know what the hell this thing is.
That is ugly.
It's like a... What the fuck is this thing?
I'm sure you want to
I want a picture of this thing. I don't know what the hell it is.
Okay. Well, am I up with 2 on you now?
Yeah. I think this thing might have some teeth. It's like a stone. What the hell is this sucker?
Do you know
It's got like human teeth.
Really?
It's got weird ass teeth. Here, Dad, you can look at his teeth.
That is weird.
I don't know. That's how I'm looking. I'm just making sure it doesn't. Oh, it does have some spines on its back.
Does it?
It reminds me like a sea robin, just not quite. It's so slimy. It's like a. I wonder if it's like a species of sea robin. look it. Oh, look it. It goes after me if I touch it.
I just need to back this up a little.
I don't know what the fuck this thing is.
I guess actually I could have went forward too. Actually,
I'm gonna just click. I'm gonna just do this. Yo, he's got some bite force. Damn. Try and get this thing.